5 home remedies to prevent clogged arteries. The medical term used for the clogged arteries is atherosclerosis. Arteries get clogged when the lining of the blood vessels get damaged due to buildup of cholesterol and other fatty substances on the artery walls, which results in narrowing of the blood vessel. This condition prevents the blood from flowing to the heart, lungs, brain, and other parts of the body. This can lead to the stroke, heart attack, and gangrene. Poor diet and unhealthy lifestyle like smoking, drinking, alcohol, and lack of physical activity can lead to atherosclerosis. Number 1 is fenugreek seed. You can also use fenugreek seeds to treat the clogged arteries. These seeds have saponins that have helped to reduce the level of the artery clogging LDL cholesterol. Moreover, the high amount of the fiber in the fenugreek seed plays a key role in reducing the bad cholesterol level. Soak 1 teaspoon of the fenugreek seed in the water overnight. The next morning, eat the soaked seeds along with the water on the empty stomach. Number 2 is red yeast rice. Red yeast rice can also help to unclog the arteries as well as reduce the risk of having a heart attack. It has natural methyl that have level of LDL cholesterol. Moreover, it has phytosterols, beta-sitosterols, camptosterols, stigmasterols, isoflavonoids, and many trace minerals that are good for oral cardiovascular health. Number 3 is flaxseed. Flax seeds are one of the best sources of the alpha-linolenic acid that can help to reduce the blood pressure and inflammation. This in turn helps to keep arteries clear of obstruction and improves oral health. In addition, the fibers in the flaxseed behind with LDL cholesterol consumed and help to clear the clogged arteries. Consume 2 to 4 tablespoons of the ground flaxseed daily to help to clear the clogged arteries. Add 1 tablespoon of the ground flaxseed in smoothies, soups, or juices. Number 4 is pomegranate. The fruit is rich in antioxidant phytochemicals that help to protect the circulatory system from damaging the oxidation, which causes the plaque buildup and blood clots in the arteries. Moreover, pomegranate stimulates the production of nitric oxide in the blood that helps to open the arteries and regulate the blood pressure. Eat 1 to 2 fresh pomegranates daily. Number 5 is exercise. Regular physical exercise can also reduce the stiff and clogged arteries. A proper exercise routine along with a healthy diet can strengthen your heart and help to prevent and manage the heart diseases. Exercise is also a good way to lose excess weight and maintain a good health. Do aerobic exercise like walking, jogging, bicycling, jumping, rope to strengthen your aerobic system. Additional tips: avoid eating junk foods and processed foods. Do not eat fried red meat, it can clog your arteries. Stop smoking. Avoid drinking alcoholic beverages. Use meditation to reduce stress. Include beans and whole grain products in your diet. Eat more fruits with bright colors as oranges and butternut squash. Enjoy some early morning sunlight to get vitamin D, which helps to reduce the arterial stiffness. Consume 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil daily to prevent plaque formation. Drink 1 to 2 glasses of the pure organic cranberry juice daily to protect your heart. Cook food in extra virgin olive oil for its protective effect on the cholesterol level. Take 100 to 300 mg of vitamin B12 per day for consulting a doctor. Eat at least 2 servings of the cold water fish like mackerel, tuna, trout, herring, and salmon in a week. Take omega-3 supplements after consulting your doctor. Limit your intake of sugar as other food it will raise your blood sugar level. Drink 2 to 3 cups of the green tea daily to keep the arteries free from the bad cholesterol. Eating a free walnut daily also helps to unclog the artery.
If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.